Today I'm going to make almond milk in my Pampered Chef Deluxe cooking blender. First of all, you need to soak 1 cup of almonds in 2 cups of water. Then what I'm going to do is turn on my blender, add my almonds, then I add 5 cups of water. I can add salt to taste. Turn it on. Set it to alternative milk. And press. And then it blends all by itself. And now our almond milk is finished. I simply take it off. Take the lid off, pour it into the net, and then all I have to do is take it out, strain it, when you're finished, you will have almond pulp and your almond milk. It's simple cleanup. I just put water in the bottom, add a little soap, put the lid back on, turn it to the heat wash, push the button. It will start cleaning. And then I can rinse it out and my blender's ready for the next time.